Baked pasta with chicken and sausage and homemade sauce all in one pan. Not only do we need bite-sized pieces, but by slicing the meat against the grain, we can get flavor in it quickly. Obviously, we're going to need salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. Of course, this is Italian. And not only do I need a little wine, but this chicken needs it too, to infuse all that flavor in quickly. And we're going to steal a Chinese restaurant technique with baking soda and cornstarch. Not only is this going to help tenderize the meat, but it's going to help it separate when it cooks. A non-stick pan with high sides is the key to this. Add your chicken, spread it out. You need a pan with high sides to fit this whole thing. If it's not non-stick, just be careful or omit the cornstarch altogether. As that chicken cooks, it will separate. But as chicken has no flavor, we need some garlic, cloves, and I'm going to nestle in some sausage too. Chicken's looking good. Sausage is looking good. Everybody's looking good. And smelling good. That chicken breast is done. We don't need to overcook it. We can go straight in with that garlic and shallots. Italian whole peeled tomatoes. But from experience, I take one out of the can before I blend them. That way I don't make a big mess. A whole can of tomato paste will get toasted off now. We need to boost flavor because we're going to add water and cook the pasta in the pan. This allows us to keep this a one-pan operation. Spread it out, we got to toast it. I'm going to need a little more wine. And so is that tomato paste. Add your pureed tomatoes. We want this to cook before we add the pasta. Look at that color. See how rich that sausage can come out. A little pepperoncino, black pepper, and over season it with salt. We're adding 2 cans of water. 1, 2. We need to bring this to a boil before we add the pasta. I save my Parmesan cheese rinds for just such an occasion. Don't you? Now you can add your pasta. But only at about 3/4. No matter what you do, the whole box is just too much. That needs a lid and 10 minutes. That pasta is cooked and it's time for the finale. The sausage, the chicken, and a trick we use in restaurants is a knob of butter whenever we finish a pasta dish. I know, it looks soupy. Trust me, it's going to be fine. But it's going to need cheese before it goes in the oven. We need this to get all bubbly and delicious. That'll be good for a while. Let it set up, and they can eat it whenever they want.
Oh yeah, it's so good.
That is so good.
Chicken's so tender. Flavors are amazing. All in one.
Oh, that works.
Yeah, tastes like you cooked all day.
You'd never know.
And that's a good hack. Easy, fast, delicious.
One pan, no fuss, and they think you cooked all day.
I mean, bottom line, it ain't that hard.